Want to start your own print on Demon Store in 2025? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to connect Printify to your Shopify store and start selling custom products step by step. And let's get started. First of all, head over to printify.com, click sign up for a new account or sign in for an existing account. Enter your existing email and password, then click sign in. Register using your email, Google or Shopify account. Once inside, complete your basic store setup. If you already have a Printify account, you are good to go. Just log in and move to the next step. Go to shopify.com and log into your store. Make sure your store is set up and ready to add products. Now let's connect both platforms so they can sync orders automatically. In your Shopify dashboard, go to apps, add apps, then Shopify app store. From here, search for Printify, click the official Printify account, apps, then add apps, then click install. You can see the demo store like that. Again, click install. Once installed, Shopify will redirect you to connect your Printify account. Again, log into your account. Then sign in. Again, Printify will ask for permission to access your Shopify store. Click connect. Now your Shopify store is linked with Printify. That's it. Now the two platforms are officially talking to each other. Click catalog in Printify. Browse or search for a product like t-shirts. Click a product that and use the mockup generator to upload your design. Click start designing button. Now upload your design from upload section, then my device, then select your design from here. And adjust the design on your product. Click save product and choose publish to Shopify. Connect Shopify and add your store URL to connect to it Printify. Go back to Shopify, then Shopify my store. Then click settings, then copy the URL, then copy and paste here and click connect. Your product will now appear in your Shopify products tab, ready to sell. You can update pricing, descriptions, and images too. Go to Shopify store and preview the product, add it to cart and place a test order. In Printify, go to orders, check if it appears. Make sure you have added your billing information in Printify so orders can auto process. When someone buys from your store, Printify automatically handles printing to shipping, hands off for you. And that's it. Your Printify account is now fully connected to Shopify, and your print on demand store is ready to go live. If this helped, give it a like, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you want a tutorial on designing products with Canva or setting up your first marketing campaign. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.